Hi dear students, welcome back to the world of English. And in our today's session, we are going to deal with the Unit 1 Grammar. Are you all ready? Let's begin it. So today's session is going to help you when to use simple past and past perfect in a sentence. Okay, or how to use simple past and past perfect in a sentence. Let's begin it with a simple example. We found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. Now, in the above two sentences, the first one is in the simple past, right? We found, that is found is simple past. We had, again simple past. Found, had, simple past. And the second part of the sentence, some thief had removed most of my things. Okay, had removed, had plus verb form 3, that is past participle. That is your past perfect tense, had removed. So as you can see, the action which had occurred earlier, the action which had occurred first is expressed in the past perfect tense, whereas the action which occurred later is expressed in the simple past. First action in past perfect tense, and later action will be in simple past. Okay, do you understand? I repeat, first action, the earlier action will be expressed in past perfect, and later the next action will be expressed in simple past. Okay, now let's once again closely observe the sentence. We found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. Okay, so what is the first action? The thief coming and removing the things, and after they go and they found very little to carry. That is the reason the first action is thief coming and removing, right? Second thing is they come and they found. So the first action is in past perfect and the second action is in simple past. Okay, and please note and understand, if the two actions happen in a sentence simultaneously at the same time, we write them in simple past. Both the actions will be written in simple past. Is it clear? So here are a few more examples. Let's see them. Sujata had arrived at the station before the train came. So what is the first action? Arriving the station. So it is written in past participle, had plus arrived. Had plus verb form 3. What is the second action? Before the train came. Okay, before the train came. Let's see the next one. The doctor arrived after the patient had died. What is the action first? The patient is dying, and the next one is the doctor is arriving. Okay, the doctor arrived, simple past, after the patient had died. Okay, let's see the next one. I bought the ticket as soon as I boarded the bus. Okay, I already said when two actions occur nearly simultaneously in the past, both are expressed in the simple past tense. They are exceptional case. That's what we see in the third sentence. I bought the ticket as soon as I boarded the bus. Is it clear? Let's do some more examples. Okay, I brushed my teeth. I took my breakfast. So what is the first action here? Brushing the teeth, right? Next is taking breakfast. So how will you write? Yes, now they have already given. We have to use either after, before and when. Use the linkers and we have to combine the sentence. Now let's take after. Okay. After I had brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. Or I write, I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. Is it clear? So the first action is brushing teeth. Second one is having or taking breakfast. Okay. When she started to go to market, it rained heavily. Okay. Now when we observe the sentence, both the actions are happening simultaneously or more closely. So we write both the verbs in simple past. So when she started to go to market, it rained heavily. Okay. When she started to go to market, it rained heavily. Got it? Have you understood? He completed his homework. He went to bed. It's very simple, right? You can guess it. What is the first action? Completing the homework. Okay, second action is going to bed. Okay, so we write he had completed his homework before he went to bed. Okay, past participle, simple past. Okay, he went to bed after he had completed his homework using the linker after. Is it clear? So the first action is completing the homework. So that would be written in past participle. Second action is going to bed. That is written in simple past. Okay? Let's see next one. I finished my dinner, then my father came. I finished my dinner, then my father came. So what is the first action? Finishing the dinner. Finishing the dinner. Next one is father arriving or father coming. So how will you write? My father came when I had finished my dinner. Okay, because finishing dinner is the first action, right? So I write it in past participle. I had finished my dinner. Okay, so the sentence is my father came when I had finished my dinner. Or else I write I had finished my dinner before my father came. I had finished my dinner before my father came. Clear? Let's see next one. I fell seriously ill. I met my family doctor. Here, the actions seem to be simultaneous or they are more close or near. So we use simple past. So I write, when I fell seriously ill, I met my family doctor. Or I met my family doctor when I fell seriously ill. Is it clear? Next one, I locked the door. I went out to meet my friend at restaurant. It's very clear, right? So what is the first action? Locking the door. Second one, going out to meet friend. Okay, so the first action should be written in past perfect. Second action should be written in simple past. Okay, so I write, I went out to meet my friend at restaurant after I had locked the door. I had locked the door. Okay, is it clear? Dear students, I believe we have understood today's session, right? Have you? Okay. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.